Oh, until it dries. I'm gonna bump it up.
Boom.
It's quite cute.
Yeah, sure. So this actually is a setup for any eye look that you want to do. You can go from here to there. For this one, I would have just originally just started warming up the complete eyelid, including the socket like I did, with the same color. Come and get it, whatever you want to call it. So I'll just do that now. Still creating a little bit of space in the corner, the inner corner of the eyelid, right here. So that's where your light lives. You need that light. Wherever you put darkness, it really should be intentional. And in this case, I don't want too harsh of a definition because this is supposed to be casual, daytime, easy. I'm going to go with the Hennessy, which is this color. You can do a lot with this color. You can create an eyeliner. You can create really precise definition. You can also start your smoky eye with this. It's really flexible and is one of my favorite colors in this Moroccan Spice palette. So the reason I'm going into the corners just like this is because it just creates a natural definition, which almost makes you look like you're wearing a crazy cat eye eyeliner. You can see the difference from this one to this one, just with a little bit of that on the outside. Desert Baked. I'm gonna do that right now. It's really easy. 1-2 swipes and you're there, ready to go. I usually like to start from the inner tear dot and just go out like that. You don't need too much. It's just something there without being too peachy. And spring. Put a little bit inside tear duct and lower lash. Just get a little bit of a pop. Depending on the event, I like to just go a little bit with Marrakesh, which is this one. Just for a little bit of sparkle on the very inside. Right now I'm gonna go in for a little bit of highlighter, one of my favorites. It's one of our staples, Hustler Baby. I'm just gonna apply that right here on the high of the cheekbone just to get that some life. Do the same thing on the other side. You see, this brush is so flexible that you can go from doing your cheekbone. And if you just apply like this on the point, you could get in here on the brow bone. I love a brush that I can use for like 1,000 things because I just need to get out of there. I'm always in a hurry to go somewhere. I would like to finish this off with one of the nudes, 3 nudes, all of which I adore and enjoy and love wearing. I'm gonna try the really light one, and then I'm gonna go to the really dark one, which is this one. Unbutton is the name of the lightest one. It's really fragile, peachy, beautiful. I never like a nude that's chalky or just inconsistent with your pigment and your skin tone. It doesn't make any sense. When you want to do a nude, it has to blend in with the undertone in your skin. It has to resonate some type of vibrance. It just can't be there. We found a really juicy peachy nude. Just look at that. Look how peachy it is. I tap it like that so the edges aren't so perfect. When you're doing a nude that's usually lighter than your skin tone or super close to your skin tone, you don't ever want it to get all the way to the edge of your lip. Simply gorgeous. In case you want to get a little more spunky and spice things up, or even make this a casual night look, you can go into the Unveil. This is one of my favorite colors. We worked on it for a very long time. We sent it back a million times until it came back like this. This is a naughty, naughty girl. Now this is the final result of my casual night look created with Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette and our Stunnas. Thank you.